Hey, welcome back to Let's Take. It's your boy Lucky, and today we're going to be checking out this travel kit, lens kit from BlackEye. I want to give them a big shout out for sending this out for me to review, but this is their G4 travel kit. It retails for €50. I'll leave a link in the description, but they did send me out a phone case as well, which retails for $30. I'll leave a link in the description for that as well. But yeah, let's begin with the video. This is the G4 travel kit. You get 3 different lenses. You get your portrait, you get your wide, and you get your macro shot. You do get a case included as well. It's like a traveling case, which is really nice. So these lenses will work on any phone that has single lens, double, triple, whatever you want to call it, but it will only work on your main lens. Some of the lenses might work on your wide, but these lenses are mainly focused to use on your standard lens. So if you've got 2 lenses, not most time it's going to work on your tele, or if it's a wide. I think the wide will actually go like to a fisheye wide, but these lenses are aimed to work on your standard lens. Even doesn't matter if you have a triple lens setup like my iPhone 11 Pro here. Your standard lens will make sure that all these 3 lenses will work, which is really nice. But yeah, so this is the box itself. As you can see, it works on dual lenses, double lenses, but it's mainly aimed for your single lens only. But even if you have those lenses, it doesn't matter, just attach this to your main lens. It's universal because you get these clips here, so you don't need this case here, which I've got. But this one retails for €30, which is really nice. And it just have this wood finish, which we're gonna have a look at later. But yeah, we've got all 3 lenses here. As you can see, the travel kit G4. We've got our portrait tele G4. We've got our wide G4 lens, macro G4. We've got our protecting travel case, which is nice. Made for travel, universal smartphone lens. So let's open up here. You can see what the difference they're doing without, which is really nice. Got the package here as well. But yeah, let's open this up. So this is the carrying cage itself. Nice and sturdy, as you can see. Well protect. We've got that logo here, BlackEye, with that little fish logo, which looks really nice. But yeah, let's open this up here. So inside at the top we've got some documents, so let's take all of this out. We've got included, so we've got this little hook here. If you want to attach this to your bag, anything like that, you can do that. We've got a microfiber cleaning cloth to clean up the lenses with the BlackEye lens hashtag here. But yeah, if you do want to check out the Instagram page, you can do that. And if you don't follow me on Instagram, you can do that as well. I'll leave a link in the description as always. But yeah, we do get one of their stickers. So if you want to stick this onto your case, your MacBook, your phone, anything, you can do that. And of course, you get a manual. FD, but you know I don't like those, so we're going to get rid of that. So let's look at what we get inside. So we've got all 3 lenses here, very nicely packed in here. Some protection, we get 2 clips included. So you don't need a case to use these. They just goes on there, get your phone, go to your main lens, and it's just gonna work like that, which is nice. So this is your portrait lens, your portrait trolley, the Pro G4. We've got a wide here. I think this should be the wide. Yep, this is the wide lens. And then we've got our macro lens here for some very extreme close-up shots. Yeah, let's put the case to the side and let's just try it on my phone here. So I'm gonna unlock my phone here. I'm already in the camera. Make sure I get the standard lens. I'm just gonna hit recording so you can see it as well. So let's get this cover off. Oh, look at that. It's really nice. So let's just put this on. So this camera is my main camera. So I'm gonna align it perfectly like this. And perfectly so you can see. So let's just get my bubble saw here. So that's in recording. Hopefully you are seeing my recording now. So without it, let's focus in on that. And with it, if I can line that up properly, which I can't because it's hard to see. So now it's aligned, as you can see. I've aligned it. This is with the lens on. Now I'm going to take the lens off. You can see that huge difference it's making, which is really nice. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to put on my case because that will just be much easier for me to put on the lenses and take it off. So let's have a look at the case. So I need to open this up. Okay, let's just get the case out. So inside we've got the case itself. We do get this lanyard. If you want to attach it here, you can do that, so you're not going to drop your phone. So let's see what else we have. Nothing else. That's it. Very simple, nothing much. So this is the phone itself. We've got this wood finish here, which looks really nice, and we've got this silicone around the hard plastic at the top. As you can see, that's where you want to screw in your lenses every time you want to use it. Oh yeah, we do have these little grips here as well, so it's gonna feel, and the back is nice and sturdy. So let's just put this on. Let's get rid of this case. Let's put this in. So let's just remove the case first of all. So power button works fine, as you can see. Let's try the volume rockers. Nice and tactile. Let's try the volume mute switch. Works fine. Cutout, speaker cutouts are fine. We do have a nice cutout for your charging port here. Back, of course, that's going to be fully protected, which is nice, but this feels really nice. I like this wood finish here. It's really nice. And of course, if you want to attach your cable, you can do that, and so you're not going to drop your phone or anything like that, which is really nice. But yeah, let's try now using these, which is much easier for me to attach and unattach. So let's go onto the camera app now. So my camera is on now, so let's go to video so you can see it. It's recording now, so let's get Bulbasaur back here. Can you come here, Bulbasaur? We're going to use you as a demo. Can you stand up so it looks better? So that's now recording. So if I screw in my lens like this, screw it in like that, it's very simple. And now that's on. So let's get you in focus. Looks nice. So now it is with the lens on, so I'm going to screw the lens off now. You can see the difference. You can see that's a huge difference. This is the portrait one, so let's try the wide angle lens now. Let's get the wide angle. Screw it on. Let's get rid of this protecting case, which is always nice. So this is with the wide angle lens now, as you can see. It's in focus, so let me screw this off. And there you can see the difference. So let's try with the macro. This one you have to get really close. You have to get really close before it's going to focus in on these. Let's see if I can get enough close in. So you can see how close I have to get to the details. Just look at that, is so nice. Let's go really close. See the detail in Bulbasaur there. So yeah, that's very simple. As you see, you just screw these cases on and off. Just use the one you want and just screw it on. So I need to get used to screwing these on, but when you get used to it, you're going to be fine. As you can see, it looks fine. So going back into the camera, I can just take pictures, I can take photos. The finish is going to look really nice. Bulbasaur looks nice and cute there, so you can go back there, Bulbasaur. Go back and play with your Google Home speaker. So as you saw, the lenses are really fine to take it off and on. As I said, you don't need to use the case. It will work without a case. You can just use these clips here, so you actually get two clips, which is nice. Which is nice. You can have two lenses ready on the go, so hook it up, just changes, which is nice. So you get your wide, your tele, like your portrait one. Then you get your macro as well, which you have to go really close up. Let's just try some text with the macro so you can see the values. Like with the Bulbasaur, it did a good job, but let's just try something more close up. So I've got the lens up and let's try to get to the text here on the box. Look, you can even see the printing details in the box. Nah, just no, kid. Just look at that detailing. Look how close up I am. So let's try with the Google Home speaker. Look at that. No. That is insane close up. My hand is shaking. Oh wow. Let's try here with the case. Ooh, look at that. That's some close-up photography there. So if you are looking to take some really close-up there, this lens is going to do that extremely well. Just look how close up I am. And look at the quality, it's so sharp. All the details, the grooves, everything. No, that's just so nice. As you saw, that macro is amazing. I know with the bubble saw you couldn't see, but with the text, with the fabric, did you see that? With the fabric, it was so close up and so sharp in detail. As I said, you can use these clips. If you want, you can get the phone case and you can just snatch it on. I'm going to show you some comparison pictures now between the standard with the wide, with the normal, as well as the macro. So this is how it looks. As you can see, it's a day and night difference. Of course, you're getting that portrait closing up. The wide is going even wider. With the macro, you have to go all the way in, which is stunning. So these are the pictures. I've just watched them and you can see that's a huge difference. Let's get rid of the pictures. So yeah, as you saw, the pictures are nice and clear. We're not losing any of the sharpness, the details, everything is there from the wide to the portrait to the macro. You saw that macro pictures. It's amazing. Even from the video, it works fine. So pictures, video, everything's gonna work fine. You have your creative ideas. You can do anything you imagine with these three lenses. Your wide is just gonna create a better atmosphere when you're taking those photos, those videos. Let your mind free and just imagine what you can do with these type of lenses. It's really nice, and the case works fine as well. Attaching the lens is easy, but if you don't want to get the case, you just want to get those clips, you can do that. It works. As you saw, you can just clip them on, take it off, put it on. It's going to work with so many different phones. And the lens quality is nice and sturdy, aluminium build. The glass is stones, you get those caps as well. It feels premium. I'm not going to complain about the build quality, anything in any way. It's superb. I love it. I'm going to do some more testing. I'm actually going to go out, spend a day just getting a ton of pictures using these videos. Make sure you stick around for a proper full in-depth review of these lenses. But for now, this is just my first unboxing, first look, and I love these and I'm gonna have some great time using these. So make sure you stick around. If you're new on my channel, make sure you subscribe, hit that bell icon. If you don't follow BlackEye on Instagram, you can do that, and you can check out my Instagram page as well. All the links will be in the description as always. But yeah, thank you for watching the video. Make sure you subscribe, leave a like, and I'll see you next one. Take care.